What is up, guys? Thanks for watching another video. In today's video we are going to be getting rid of the thing that I hate the most on this vehicle. I probably should have done this the day after I bought the vehicle, but I was busy with a lot of other things, as you guys know if you've been watching the channel, and we finally got the perfect opportunity to install a different branch on this vehicle. So today we will be getting rid of the one that's currently on the vehicle. The most hated part for me on this vehicle is that branch. I don't know whose cousin welded that thing, but bro, you need to go back to school, to be honest with you. I believe the branch that is currently on here is a massive power killer. I might be mistaken, but for me the flow of that thing is not correct, so I cannot see how that won't affect the power that the car is making. The new one that we got needs a tiny bit of work though, so we will be doing that before installing the branch. We need to relocate the oxygen sensor, and we also need to sand it down and paint the new branch. I'm not gonna fit it the way it is at the moment, so stay tuned, let's get that sorted out. Oh, and another thing, we are racing tonight. If you remember, I told you in the previous video, we are a couple of friends with aspirators. The racing is going to be tonight. That's going to be the next video for you, so if you want to see that, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon right next to the subscribe button to stay up to date whenever we release the new video. Let's keep our fingers crossed that I can run in front tonight. I don't want to be at the back of the pack. The other guys are way lighter and should be quicker than me, but let's see if we can bring them something. Stay tuned, boys. There's the new branch that we got. We are just busy sanding it down with a wire wheel, and then we'll paint it and relocate the O2 sensor. I'm keeping my fingers crossed that the length of the branch is the same as the old one, otherwise we're gonna have to extend the exhaust or make it shorter. So the only way we'll know is once we take the old branch off. So let's finish up sanding this one down, then we can get to painting. So the new branch is quite a bit shorter than the old one, as you can see, so we are going to cut that off and modify it to fit the exhaust that's currently on the car. But I think the difference is going to be quite a bit. This one also sits a lot lower on the car than this one, or tucked up higher than the old one, so we should have better ground clearance. So when we cut this flange off the new branch, we noticed that this end had a difference in size. So we noticed that there was a reduction there as well as one here. So what we are going to do now, we are going to cut this off and use the same diameter so that it's not as big of a restriction as before. I'm glad we found this. So one less restriction after this. This is a section that we cut off another car. We're going to use this section now. But you can see they did exactly the same here, just invert from what they did on mine. So mine is bigger here, bigger there and smaller there. You can see on the inside how much it's restricting. So we got two flanges, now we just need to weld everything up. car sounds completely different with the new branch. I'm in love with the new sound. If it's pulling better, I can't tell you guys yet. I guess we'll find out. I guess we'll find that out tonight. We are going to be racing tonight at Midway. Me, Gerrit, Divan, both of them got 2-liter 8 valve Mark 1s, and Raymond with the Sentra. So if you guys want to see the outcome of that, obviously I'll take the draggy with and see if the car improved with the new branch as well as the bigger throttle body. I'm pretty sure it would, but let's see if the times improve tonight. I'll see you in the next one, bro. Peace out and reflect your passion.